Daniela. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a wig shop owner, and I am Aderans educator and instructor. I'm also known as Texas Wig Fairy on Instagram and Behind the Wig on Facebook. Today I would like to share with you how to go about looking for a wig. When you find out you're going to need a wig, how do you start your journey? How do you start the process of looking for a wig? Most important thing for me would be, are you looking for a wig for medical reasons, or are you needing a wig for fashion? First of all, I'm going to start off with medical. You really want to think about, first of all, what you would like your hair to look like. I think that's the most important thing. Even before I make an appointment, I want to know, do I want to look like I have, like my everyday look? Or would you like to try something entirely different, which would be a wonderful time. If you're open to change, right now would be a wonderful time to try to look for your dream hair. So when we're talking about everyday hair, I want to show you just a couple things. You have there's so many different foundations, and I know it gets confusing, but I just want to show you a few. If you ever need additional information, make sure you go to our Instagram and reneofparis.com, and there's so many videos on all the different foundations. First of all, I just want to start off with basic construction. Then we have lace part, lace front. I'm wearing lace front, which would be wonderful if during work, at work, I would not be having my hair just kind of fall this way. So I just clip it back immediately. When you want it to drop down, it looks very, very natural, like it's growing from your skin. See how wonderful that is? Machine made is going to be basic construction, but has always been one of my favorites. That means there's no lace anywhere on the foundation, which for some people is going to be their preference. So once you've decided whether you want to look like you do your regular hairstyle, or you're thinking dream hair, there's so many things that you want to keep in mind after that. You want to decide what color. And when you're looking at color, I highly suggest that you go to reneofparis.com. What I love about our website is that you can choose a style by color, which makes it so easy. So if I go in there and choose, say for instance, the color I'm wearing now, Watermelon R, I can just drop down, select Watermelon R, and all the styles that are available in that color are going to be there just for me to look at. The reason I really like this is because if you go into a store or if you go online, it makes it so much easier to know what's going to be available in that color before you have your heart set on maybe this particular style, but in this color. Not all styles are made in all colors. Okay, another type of cap construction that is really nice as well, and I would say a more affordable type of medical type foundation would be monofilament. What this allows you is from here to here, across here, which is this one here, you have the most versatility, and you can part on the right, the left, the middle. And if you really don't like a lot of volume, then monofilament allows for the hair to lay closer to the head. So that makes a difference whenever, let's say we're looking at this foundation, this is lace front. However, here in this area, this is machine made. So when you turn this right side out, you have more volume here. So if you're looking for volume, you don't necessarily want to do monofilament because they don't have permatease. Permatease is a feature built into wigs that's there for what I like to call built-in volume. So that's very, very important whenever you're looking to make your selection. The other thing that I think is very, very important is the difference between human hair and synthetic. I think this is so important because if you feel like you're not, I would say, what would you say? I mean, I'm licensed. I know how to do hair. I know how to do synthetic hair. I know how to do human hair. My preference is still synthetic. Let me tell you why. I like my hair to look wonderful every day, all day. I work long days in the salon and I want my hair to look really good all day. If I'm traveling with the team, I like for my hair to look great all day. The reason that matters is because if you're in an element where it's rainy, humid, let's just say there's, it's snow, rain, humidity. Human hair is going to act just like human hair would on the head. I know it's not attached, however, it still reacts and it softens. It does exactly what human hair would do. The benefit of synthetic is if I want to go into a salon and try wigs on, they are ready-made and they are ready to go, ready to wear, realistically right out of the box. You could just shake them and go. Human hair, whenever you go into a wig store or if you're ordering online, a lot of times you have to have the wig styled, cut, and colored. And maintenance is entirely different. So when you're looking at the differences, please keep in mind, am I wanting to put work into this every day? Do I want to be styling human hair? Or do I want something that's just fashion ready and life ready? And should I go with synthetic? So since we've gone over all these different options, let me just share with you my experience when I first lost my hair was not a good one. The one thing I would suggest to you is if you're in an area where you can go into a wig store and try the wigs on, please do. Also, I would highly suggest that you call to make sure that they may require appointment. Some places don't. However, I know that most places nowadays do require an appointment. And it really is best for you. When you go in, you're going to have one-on-one time with the pro stylist, wig stylist, and it makes the experience so much nicer to be able to try those wigs on. You know, when you're looking at all the different styles that are available, I'm talking so many different styles. Must I remind you to go to reneofparis.com to see all the different styles, all the different collections, all the different colors available. I'm telling you, you could choose curly one day, straight another, or you could do curly and straight. You could get something that's very close in color or close identical in color, and you could also do straight and curly so that you don't have to go back and if it's not high heat friendly, you don't have to curl it. You just have something that looks like it's the same style but it's been curled on a different day. It's endless. I mean, it's really limitless what you can find available, and they're ready-made and ready to purchase and ready to wear. That's what I really love about wigs. So when you're looking for a wig for fashion, I always say it's the best accessory ever. It's the best accessory that I have ever purchased. I know you've heard me say that a million times, but I'll keep saying it. It's just like a bag, your handbag or a pair of shoes. And let me tell you, when you have your outfits, you put your outfit on, you do your hair. In my world, I get the wig and then I buy the outfit. So let me just tell you, it's endless what you can do. And like I said, there's so many different colors, so many different styles. And if you've never had curly hair and your hair has always been straight or vice versa, you owe it to yourself to at least try something entirely different. Okay, so if you're there right now and you need assistance, we're here for you. Please remember you can go to reneofparis.com, use your locator, your salon locator. This is so very important. We're across the United States and other countries. Use the locator, that's what it's there for. Find someone in your area. And if you just can't find someone in your area, please remember that there are salons that can virtually help you. This doesn't have to be overwhelming. It doesn't have to be scary. This could be a wonderful experience. It could be a really good beginning to a life-changing journey. It changed my entire life and my career. There are so many options out there for you. So like I said, go to reneofparis.com, find a locator for you. We're here for you. I'm Daniela, and like I said, always remember to live big in your ROP wig.